Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a shopkeeper buys a camera at a discount of 20% from the wholesaler. The printed price of that camera is 1600 and the rate of sales tax is 6%. So by using this we need to find the price at which the camera he bought, and also we need to find the VAT paid by the shopkeeper. So printed price is 1600, discount is 20% and sales tax is 6%. So sales tax amount will be 6% of the printed price, which is 1600. So 6% of 1600, so which is 6 by 100 into 1600. So sales tax amount is 96 rupees. Now we need to find the price at which the camera he bought. So which means the printed price of that camera plus the sales tax, so which is 1600 plus 96. So he bought that camera at the price of 1696. Now find the VAT paid by the shopkeeper. So discount price. So discount price is given 20%. So discount price becomes 100 minus 20% of 1600, which is 80% of 1600. So 80 divided by 100 into 1600. So if you simplify this, you will get 1280 rupees. So this is the discount price. Now find the sales tax on discount price. So which is a 6% of 1280. So 6 by 100 into 1280. So if you simplify this, we'll get 7680 by 100, which is 76 rupees and 80 paise. So finally the VAT paid by the shopkeeper is the sales tax of original price minus sales tax of discount price, which is 96 minus 76.80, so which is 19.2 rupees. So the VAT paid by the shopkeeper is 19.2 rupees. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.